Welcome to today's video on the benefits of hiring software engineers from Latin America and how TeamStation is revolutionizing the process with human-centered AI. Benefits of hiring Latin American software engineers. Latin American software engineers share a similar culture with the US, making collaboration and communication seamless. They are highly qualified, with top tech universities and an emphasis on STEM programs in LATAM countries. These engineers work in the same time zone as the US, ensuring real-time collaboration and faster project delivery. Most engineers are bilingual, with many fluent in English, facilitating smooth communication. Latin American engineers possess high-level technical skills, making them valuable assets to any team. TeamStation AI, automating the hiring process. TeamStation AI is a nearshore staff augmentation SaaS platform that connects companies with software engineers and other technical professionals in Latin America. The platform uses human-centered AI to align talent with business objectives, achieving a 97% accuracy rate in resource alignment. TeamStation AI offers a cost-effective solution, as hiring engineers from Latin America is more budget-friendly than hiring from the US. How TeamStation AI works. The platform deeply analyzes job descriptions, company goals, objectives, technologies, and culture to match talent accurately and quickly with your organization's needs. TeamStation leverages advanced proprietary AI technologies to ensure high alignment accuracy. The platform drastically reduces the time and cost associated with traditional hiring methods. To learn more about TeamStation AI and how it can help your business, click the link below to set up a demo today.